Choose your fighter.
Lighting inspired. Fight.
Hello everybody, this is Mr. Stevens. Today we're going to look at adding and subtracting integers. Alright, so we all know that an integer is either a positive or a negative number. Alright, now we can use a number line to add and subtract integers. And that's what we're going to look at. Now if you look at my screen, as you can see, we have a classical number line. Now a number line is basically numbering negative and positive numbers. As you notice, when you move to the left, it is negative and decreasing. And when you move to the right of the number line, it is positive and increasing. And that's the basic characteristic of a number line. All right. Now, we are going to compute a very simple question. 3 plus 4. Well, we all know that 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. But let us use a number line to determine that. So what we do is that we start at 3. All right? So we start at 3. And then the positive means to the right. Now, how many places to the right? 4 units to the right. So let's count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And you notice it ends at 7. So that's our answer. Now, if positive means to the right, what do you think negative means? Correct, to the left. So let's look at this one. 7 subtract 5. All right. So we all know that it is actually 2. You know, 2 mangoes from 7 mangoes will give us 5. Sorry, it will give us 2. All right. So let's use our number line. So what we do, we start at 7. We start at 7 and we're gonna go to the left because the subtraction sign says to the left. And how many places to the left? 5 units. So let's count this. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer there is 2. All right. So let us look at some more interesting questions. What if I have 5 subtract 7? Well, check it out. So we're still gonna start at 5. We start at 5, and we're gonna go to the left. How many units to the left? strategy of how to approach questions like those. All right. Now, the approach that I will be using is something is a scenario where your mom send you out to the shop to purchase items, but sometimes you owe the shopkeeper money, and then sometimes you have extra cash. Now, in math and in the financial world, when you owe money to anyone, it's a negative. So if you have negative $1,000 in your bank account, it means that you owe the bank $1,000. If you have a positive $1,000, it means that you have $1,000 in the bank. All right, so we're going to use that sort of relationship, so let me say that again. So negative means that you owe, positive means that you have. All right, so let us look at a question like this. So let me just get rid of the number line. So suppose I have, say, negative 17 plus, say, 15. So I would say the negative 17 means that you owe Mr. Brown. Mr. Brown is your shopkeeper. You owe Mr. Brown how much money? $17. But your mommy gave you what? No, give is actually plus. All right, so let's go again. Let us say you owe Mr. Brown $17, and mommy gives, which is a plus, gives you $15 to take to Mr. Brown. What's going to happen is that Mr. Brown is going to take his money. All right? Now, when he takes his money, he's going to take all of it. So basically, what this is saying is that you still owe Mr. Brown. So you owe Mr. Brown $2. All right. Let's look at this one. So let's say you owe Mr. Brown $12 and mommy gave you $16. So what's going to happen when you take $16 to Mr. Brown's shop? You're going to clear off Mr. Brown's debt. All right? When you clear off Mr. Brown's debt, you're going to have, right? You're going to have $4. Let's look at this one now. -4, -6. So basically, you're in trouble because you owe Mr. Brown $4 and you owe Mr. Brown $6. So in all, you owe Mr. Brown $10. I hope I don't offend anyone whose surname is Brown. My apologies. All right. Okay, so let's look at another one. Say negative, say 8 plus 8. Right, what's happening? What I wanna Mr. Brown shop? Some person said what I wanna John shop. All right, probably should change from Brown to John. Anyways, so let's say owe Mr. Brown $8. So $8 what he owe Mr. Brown, and mommy gave you $8. What's gonna happen? You neither owe Mr. Brown nor have anything for him. Your debt has been cancelled.